Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Multinational Company Jobs for Mechanical Engineers. In this video, you can watch job opportunities for early career professionals. Early career professionals means freshers and 1 to 3 year experience holders. In this video, we are included 5 multinational company jobs. For getting the full details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. First one, Siemens Energy, Gurgaon. Solution engineer at Siemens Energy, Gurgaon. First, about the company. Siemens AG is a German multinational conglomerate company and the largest industrial manufacturing company in Europe. The principal divisions of the company are industry, energy, healthcare, and infrastructure and cities, which represents the main activities of the company. Siemens Energy AG is an energy company formed by the spin of the former gas and power divisions of Siemens Group and includes a 67% of share of Siemens Gamesa. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 5 year experience. Job ID is 246427. Role: interpreting customers' specification and making clarification for discussion with the customer. Independent handling of power plant process and component engineering. Component engineering includes preparation of technical specification, conducting bids, evaluation, preparing supplier contract, conducting supplier document review, and releasing the required information to internal and external customers. Qualification and experience: bachelor's or master's degree in mechanical engineering, desirable specialization in power plant, 0 to 5 years related work experience in power plant, functional know-how of water stream cycle and or balance of plant system engineering, efficient in the use of MS Office software suite or Outlook, Excel, Word, and OneNote. Role is solution engineer. Functional area is power energy. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. For registering in Siemens career site, you can use the website as shown on screen. I will provide all these website IDs and links in my description also. And if you need to know more about this opportunity, please watch our new channel Engineering Jobs for You. In that channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. I will provide that video link in my description also. Next is Stryker Corporation. Quality engineer at Stryker, Haryana. Stryker Corporation is an American multinational medical technologies corporation based in Michigan. Stryker products include implants used in joint replacements and trauma surgeries, surgical equipments and surgical navigation systems, endoscopic and communication system, patient handling and emergency medical equipment, neurosurgical, neurovascular and spinal devices, as well as other medical devices product used in variety of medical specialties. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 3 year. Location is Gurgaon, Haryana. Job ID is R445661. Purpose: actively contribute towards complaints handling and complaints investigation. Interfaces with the divisional counterparts in US and elsewhere to work on ops deliveries. Work with the divisional counterparts to establish the communication plan with the different departments. Follow up with the stakeholders to complete the project within the timelines. Resolve any pending issues. Roles and responsibilities: interface with the healthcare providers, sales representatives and patients regarding complaint investigation. Complete complaint investigation templates. Perform preliminary analysis of complaint investigation devices. Generate an analysis metrics and make recommendations as required to quality engineers, etc. Technical skill set required: good analytical and problem solving, knowledge of DFMEA, PFMEA or control panel 7 QC tools, etc. Proficient computer skills in Excel and Word. Technical skill preferred: 4D problem solving methodology, experience in 7 QC tools, fishbone diagram, Pareto charts and root cause analysis. good understanding of database management of complaint records, prior experience using complaint processing software, demonstrate problem solving and troubleshooting skills, demonstrate verbal and written communication skills, etc. Desired profile. Education is bachelor in mechanical or biomedical or biotechnology engineering. Experience is 1 to 3 years. Role is quality engineer. Functional area is medical equipment manufacturer. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply on the website as shown on screen. Next is ACG Capsules. Assistant Engineer Service AVL at ACG Capsules, Hyderabad. ACG Associated Capsules Private Limited is a pharmaceutical company and has presence in over 100 countries. ACG provides empty hard pharmaceutical capsules, encapsulation machinery, tablet coating system, tablet compression system, fluid bed equipment, tablet tooling and performance enhancers along with online and inline analytical and inspection systems. ACG has about 4,500 employees and is one of the leading manufacturing of empty hard shell capsule. The ACG group offers manufacturing, packaging, research and development services for the pharmaceutical industry. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2 to 3 years. Location of posting is in Hyderabad. Job objective. The function of the service engineer is to provide expert hands-on technical expertise in all aspects of installation, commissioning, validation and documentation, customer training, maintenance and customer support for ACG value links are required. Primary responsibilities: strategic and planning and execution of installation and commission, service calls and AMC in effective manner of all products, maintaining good service support in market revenue and lead generation. Job description: internal process, coordination with the customer for effective issue resolving, maintaining system database, AMC or warranty, out of warranty, maintaining of service reports on visit basis, AMC, warranty, out of warranty, people development, customer, etc. Education and experience requirement is BE with 2 to 3 years of experience. Technical competencies and persons, installation and commissioning, troubleshooting, spare parts, accessories and AMC, customer relationship, safety, service quality, product knowledge, mechanical technology, automation technology, etc. Role is Assistant Engineer Service AVL. Industry type is pharmaceutical. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Underwriters Laboratories. Engineer Project Associate and Underwriters Laboratories. Underwriters Laboratories UL LLC is a global safety certification company headquartered in Illinois. It maintains offices at 46 countries. Established in 1894 as Underwriters Electrical Bureau, it was known throughout the 20th century as Underwriters Laboratories and participated in the safety analysis of many of the country's new technologies. UL is one of the several companies approved to perform safety testing by the US Federal Agency, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA). For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2+ years. Pay and allowances are not disclosed by the employer. What you will learn and achieve. Wind resource assessment is an important step in the wind farm development. In this role, the analyst is required to work mainly in the following areas: site identification, meteorological tower design, installation and management, wind data analysis, turbine layout optimization, energy production estimation, losses and uncertainty analysis, etc. Duties and responsibilities: learn and work in energy assessment and wind resource modeling techniques in a global renewable consulting company, optimize turbine layouts, perform energy production studies, prepare bankable reports, interact and work with the regional teams across the company for overseas projects, site visits and travel to inspect met towers and wind project, attend conference and industry meetings. What makes you great fit? Bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, mechanical or electrical or wind resource assessment. Minimum 2+ years of relevant experience with a background in wind resource assessment. Expertise with the software applications such as Windographer, OpenWind, R, Microsoft Excel, etc. Experience with IEC 61400 standard. Fluent communication skills in written and spoken English. Ability to work as a team player. Willingness to travel. Role is engineer project associate. Industry type is safety certification company. Employment type is full-time permanent. Interested candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Atlas Copco India Private Limited. Design or project engineer mechanical at Atlas Copco India Limited, Pune. Atlas Copco is a Swedish multinational industrial company that was founded in 1873. It manufactures industrial tools and equipment. Atlas Copco Company develop, manufactures, service and rent industrial tools, air compressors, construction and assembly system. The group operates in 4 areas: compressor technique, vacuum technique, power technique and industrial technique. Atlas Copco Global Industrial Company is based on Stockholm, Sweden with approximately 40,000 colleagues and customers in more than 180 countries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 3 years. Location of posting is in Pune. Roles and responsibilities: to act as main coordination link between customer, consultant, factory supplier and customer center. He or she will be one point contact of customer. To manage orders, achieving client satisfaction in terms of delivery and technical requirements. To monitor the overall progress of project against schedule and milestone, reporting to management as well as providing early warning of potential slippage in case of later. To keep management well informed the high level aspects of project execution. Maintain detailed project files and applicable records in common server and project management system software. Follow up the supplier and factory for manufacturing status. Provide the monthly progress status in the customer or SC format to the customer, etc. Personality requirements: proactive, positive team player with good interpersonal skills, strong communication and people oriented who thrives on working in dynamic, complex and multicultural business environment. Be able to adapt a new environment, self-motivated, independent, flexible, well organized and methodological, accurate and diligent with an awareness to speed up execution within a pressurized environment. Customer oriented, to be able to establish relations and networks with the people inside and outside organization. Result driven, have drive for results, which means that you put in the ambition and the effort to achieve results and accept accountability, etc. Experience requirement: 3 to 6 year experience in project management or engineering, preferably in rotating machinery and background. Education requirement: university degree in mechanical or production, fluent in English, knowledge of sound, knowledge and experience in screw and centrifugal compressors, sound knowledge of electrical equipment drawings, good command verbal and written of English is must, able to read and understand P&ID, GA layouts, installation system architects, working knowledge of AutoCAD, MS Office, strong technical and commercial knowledge of engineering rotatory equipment. Role is design or project engineer. Industry type is compressor manufacturing. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through their website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for this week's employment news. For the next early career job news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.